Doing some basement waterproofing for Barbara and Tom. Gonna be putting TripleSafe liners. Those are our 3-pump system. Basically gonna be doing waterproofing all the way the exterior of the home. It's about 215 foot. And then we're also doing a 85-foot discharge out to the culvert to divert all the water away from the home. They're also getting some window well duct drains, and this will just prevent any water buildup in their sun house enclosures. There's a little bit of water intrusion. They got a lot of water on this exterior wall, and some coming through some of these sun houses. By us doing this exterior waterproofing system, this will kind of relieve any hydrostatic pressure or any water coming off the block walls, so then they're taken care of. So right now, the guys and myself are getting the basement prepped. This is one of our most crucial steps when we're doing our initial walkthrough. Just prepping the home, ensuring that the customer's belongings are protected. Right now, we're throwing up throw plastic and just taping every single seam and opening. This will just prevent any concrete dust as we're jackhammering from getting on the belongings. They have a bunch of TVs mounted down here in the basement, so just like covering those, really covering anything that presents itself, covering the stairs, and they'll probably throw a sheet going into the living room just so none of the dust going upstairs.